How to buy the Poppy token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to take a look on the Rex account. Just go and take a look on the Rex account. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to the explainer. So this token is available there. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this token is increased by 100% in the last 24 hours and by 21% in the last hour. As you can see, this token is under the Solana network. Just go and copy the token under this node tool. And the best choice to be able that kind of token is by using the Phantom wallet. Now just open your Phantom wallet and log into your account. Now after that, click on unlock. And now after that, click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here. Now paste the token address as you can see. Now this is our token, just click on it. Now here ensure how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and this is how much you will receive. From here select the provider, for example Jupiter. Now here read all of this information and click on swap. So after that they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues on your buy process, just go back and switch the slip hash from here, and that way you will be able to buy this token without any problem. So this is how to buy the Poppy token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.